Hi guys, for today's video, I would like to share with you that we have a snowstorm here today and tomorrow too. So we have 6 inches of snow tomorrow and also tonight. So I don't know if we are on level 3, we're gonna close. But as of now, we don't know yet. So look at the snow that is in our place. Look at our 2 cars here in outside and the other car is inside. Look at that. So my windshields, I try to put it straight in there so that tomorrow when we have school, it's not really hard when it is icy. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.